ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
Okay, first question is, some Vaishnava Sampradayas say that you can be male character in Vaikuntha planets, but some say that Krishna or Vishnu is the only male and we all will be female form only. What is the view of this in our Sri Vaishnava Sat Sampradayam on this topic? So that is the question. So the question is about, in the Paramapadam, SrIvaikuNtam, once a Jivatma enters there as a mukta or an existing Nityasuri, when such persons are present, what kind of forms will they have? Will only Bhagavan be having male form and will others be having female forms only, or will it be other way around? That is, Bhagavan will be there and there will be male, female and so on. So this is the question. Now here in our Sampradayam, in our Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, as per Shastram, we see that when an Atma enters Paramapadam or SrIvaikuNtam, at that time first he gets a divine form. When he dips into the Viraja river and comes out of Viraja river on the side of SrIvaikuNtam, at that time he gets touched by Amanava, a Nityasuri, and at that time he gets a divine form. But subsequently that mukthAthmA will have the option of assuming 1 form, 5 forms, 10 forms, 1000 forms, as many forms to serve Bhagavan. So that is what Shastram says, that one can assume as many forms. Now that could be any form. For example, we have Adishesha in snake, serpent form. We have Gardalvar who is in Pakshi form, a bird form. In this manner, we see that not just what we see as human form, but we also have animal form, bird form, and so on. And it doesn't stop there. It also goes beyond that. That we see Sudarshana Chakra, for example. A Chakratalva is a Nityasuri. He has assumed the form of that chakra. The chakra itself, that physical appearance, is similar to a chakra in this world, for example. It looks similar. Although there are special features in Sudarshana Chakra form, the basic form looks similar. So it will be misunderstood by some that it is just equipment in the hands of Bhagavan. But there is an Atma inside that Sudarshana Chakra as well. And Nityasuri is present. That Nityasuri is having the form of Sudarshana Chakra. So different Nityasuris, different Muktas will assume so many different forms. One may assume the form of a lamp which will be lit when Bhagavan is resting. One may assume the form of an umbrella. One may assume the form of a river. One may assume the form of a tree. One may assume the form of a fruit. One may assume the form of a jewel, and so on. So different Atmas will assume so many variety of forms which can be categorized as either male or female, and then also whether those forms look like human, animals, birds, whatever it may be, plants, trees, any other objects as well. The only difference is we see in this world, in this samsara, these forms are all material. For example, there is a tree. It is a product of matter, prakriti. If we see a fish, that fish body is again a product of matter. Same can be said for human body, celestial bodies, even body of Brahma, Rudra, humans, Devatas, plants. All of those bodies are made of prakriti, matter. But in Paramapadam, in Vaikuntam, all of these bodies, all of these entities, their physical forms are made of Pancha Upanishad. And those Pancha Upanishads are similar to, just for comparison, they are similar to Panchabhutams in this world. We have Panchabhutams, earth, water, fire, air and space. So similarly there is Pancha Upanishad in Paramapadam, mixture of which is divine, and that makes different forms. So those are Achit as well, but special Achit, divine matter. What we see in this samsara is just plain matter. In Paramapadam we see divine matter, and Atmas can assume any different forms made of any of those combination of Pancha Upanishad, and there will be so many variety of forms assumed by Jivatmas. The only difference is the motive there for assuming a particular form is to serve Bhagavan, to please Bhagavan, to bring joy to him. So to answer the question here, in Vaikuntam there will be different species and different genders as well, male, female, both will be seen. It is not restricted to any particular species or any particular gender. So that is this question about characters in Vaikuntam.
ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.